Good morning, dear students. Good morning, dear students. Today, I have an important meeting. Today, I have an important meeting. I can't give today's lessons. I can't give today's lessons. Another teacher will give your lessons. Another teacher will give your lessons. Her name is Miss Schneider. Her name is Miss Schneider. She's very nice. She's very nice. You will like her. You will like her. I have to go now. I have to go now. Hello, dear students. Hello, dear students. My name is Miss Schneider. My name is Miss Schneider. I'm your substitute teacher. I'm your substitute teacher. Today, your lessons are with me. Today, your lessons are with me. I take schoolwork very seriously. I take schoolwork very seriously. You have a lot to learn. You have a lot to learn. This is the only way you'll be able to do a good job. This is the only way you'll be able to do a good job. And that's why you're going to take a test now. And that's why you're going to take a test now. What? We're taking a test? What? We're taking a test? Yes, a test about everything that happened in the past hour. Yes, a test about everything that happened in the past hour. But I wasn't here for that. But I wasn't here for that. Did you review the material? Did you review the material? No, not yet. No, not yet. You have to. You have to. I'll do it right now then. I'll do it right now then. Okay, sounds good. Okay, sounds good. We'll take the test now anyway. We'll take the test now anyway. Please don't. I can't get another F. Please don't. I can't get another F. You have 30 minutes. The time starts now. You have 30 minutes. The time starts now. 30 minutes later. 30 minutes later. Okay, time's up. Please submit the test now. Okay, time's up. Please submit the test now. Here is my test, Miss Schneider. Here is my test, Miss Schneider. But you didn't write anything. But you didn't write anything. I wasn't here earlier. I couldn't write anything. I wasn't here earlier. I couldn't write anything. Then I have to give you an F. Then I have to give you an F. What? An F? Not again. What? An F? Not again. What's wrong, Lisa? Why are you crying? What's wrong, Lisa? Why are you crying? I got an F in school today. I got an F in school today. Another F? How did that happen? Another F? How did that happen? We had a surprise test. We had a surprise test. I wasn't there for the first hour. I wasn't there for the first hour. And Mr. Smith still gave you an F? And Mr. Smith still gave you an F? No, it was Miss Schneider. No, it was Miss Schneider. I'll talk to her. I'll talk to her. Yes, hello, Miss Schneider here. Yes, hello, Miss Schneider here. Hello, Miss Schneider. This is Mr. Peters. Hello, Miss Schneider. This is Mr. Peters. I'm Lisa's father. I'm Lisa's father. How can I help you, Mr. Peters? How can I help you, Mr. Peters? Lisa told me what happened today. Lisa told me what happened today. You gave her an F. You gave her an F. She deserved it. She deserved it. I would like to talk to you personally. I would like to talk to you personally. You can come to my office. You can come to my office. I'll be there in 10 minutes. I'll be there in 10 minutes. That's enough. That's enough. I'll have a serious word with Miss Schneider. I'll have a serious word with Miss Schneider. Lisa must not get another F. Lisa must not get another F. This is Lisa's school. This is Lisa's school. I'll go to Miss Schneider's office. I'll go to Miss Schneider's office. Hello, Miss Schneider. Hello, Miss Schneider. Hello, Mr. Peters. Nice to have you here. Hello, Mr. Peters. Nice to have you here. I'll get right to the point. I'll get right to the point. Gladly. Gladly. Why did you just give Lisa an F? Why did you just give Lisa an F? Because she turned in a blank sheet. Because she turned in a blank sheet. She wasn't there for the entire first hour. She wasn't there for the entire first hour. That's not my fault. She has to repeat the material then. That's not my fault. She has to repeat the material then. Don't you think that's a little harsh? Don't you think that's a little harsh? This is the only way Lisa will learn discipline. This is the only way Lisa will learn discipline. The students are treated much too nicely. The students are treated much too nicely. This is not good for Lisa. This is not good for Lisa. If you parents don't teach your children discipline, I will. If you parents don't teach your children discipline, I will. Why is Mr. Smith gone? A, it's his birthday. B, he has a new job. C, he has a meeting. Leave a comment below. Why is Mr. Smith gone? A, it's his birthday. B, he has a new job. C, he has a meeting. Leave a comment below.